Welcome. In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and in this video I will show you what to do if your Wi-Fi doesn't work on this phone. So the first thing that you can do is open the quick settings menu by sliding it from the top of your screen, and then toggle your Wi-Fi by turning it off, then on again, and then see if it starts working. And if it doesn't, go to your network details of your network and click forget. Then go into settings, network and internet, then find the same network that you've been connected to, enter the password, then reconnect to the network and see if it works for you now. And in case it doesn't, then I suggest that you should restart your router and also restart your phone, maybe, but try both if you can. And to restart your phone, hold down the power button and the volume up key shortly, then select restart and wait until your phone reboots. Then once your phone and your Wi-Fi are restarted, try reconnecting to the network. Now note that routers take some time to restart once you turn them on. So now if it didn't help, then you can go to the system and check if your phone up to date. In system update section, check for updates, and if you have some updates to install, then take your time and install them. And if you don't, and your problem still isn't solved, then go to the system reset options, and then select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click reset, and after that try reconnecting to the network, just like we did before, and this time everything should work well. Okay, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.